And it's been like for a year apparently. Right. It's a 50-50. Cylinder change. Oh, look at that, everything fell off the side. Smash, smash, and smash. And the tools have gone down the end. Fuck's sake. Oh, look at that. All the chisels are flying out. You guys got any ideas of how to fix your tool bag to stop it sliding around the back of the van? Just gonna unscrew it. Just gonna unscrew it and measure it. Jesus, that's proper jammed up. All I want to do is change cylinder. Let's get a short screwdriver. Smash. That's a tough one. There we go. See, that's what happened. Somehow they take the key in upside down, take the key out upside down, and it's not worth trying to fix it because the chances are it'll happen again. Gone are the days where I used to fix them, so end up going back a week, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, changing it again. And it's been like for a year apparently. Right, it's a 50-50. And yeah, let's get this in the door. $50. I'll try 45. I know 50-50 came out, but close we can get that. We've got 45. I don't think this roll keeps 45s, but I'm sure 50-45, so we could have we could do, that's 50-40. Or 45 really. 40-40. 45-30. 45-35. Let's have a look in here. Oh look. Bloody fallen broken. Right. So what have we got here? 50-50, 45-55, 40-40, 45-55, that's both the same. Too many cylinders. 35s. 45. Spot on. Alright. Because that thing only applies. That thing only applies if we change the handles as well. So we're not changing handles. So nice 45. Bring my screwdriver. What an idiot. That is pretty sweet. Mana. Nice little pick. Let's go with it. Thank you very much. Actually, I might adjust that. Just that. Oh look, it's all loose. Go for a bit more. More teeth there.
see a copy or anything?
I'm alright actually.
Yep, no.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that long till finished. That's it. That's it. Job is a good one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow for more.